สวัสดีค่ะ ดิฉันนางสาววไลลักษณ์นุ่นช่วยรหัสนักศึกษา 662000242 สาขาวิศวกรรมเครื่องกลแผนกวิศวกรรมพลังงาน วันนี้จะมาว่า 2D Heat Transfer Analysis in Acid Workbench โดยใช้ Steady State Heat Transfer Draw Up Composite Wall นะคะ อันนี้ก็มีรายละเอียดดังนี้ นั้นเราก็เข้า Acid Workbench นะคะ อันนี้ก็คือลากตัว Steady State Thermal มาไว้ตรงนี้นะคะ แล้วก็ edit ตรง engineering data แล้วก็ add add material 3 อย่างนี้นะคะ คือ fiber glass ตรง value ที่ 0.038 plaster 0.2 polywood 0.12 อันนี้ที่โปรเจกต์แล้วก็ตัว geometry เลือกเป็น 2D แล้วก็ new design modeler
right click on the geometry and then new design model. It takes some time. So that is design model. And that design model, that's three different walls need to be splashed. The first one is a plaster, that is 2.5 centimeter and height plus unit as 20. So first inside units in centimeter.
Unit centimeter.
Because all that stretch is in centimeter. So that units they are in centimeter and I want to draw that in XY plane and just 2D and just 2D that 3D plane. And for that one, with the design model, you need to start with sketch and preferably hot surface and then give it dimension, then concept and then to create that surface. So the hot surface is plaster wall, grade. Start with that plaster wall. So XY plane, now sketching, first need to go to setting, grade, start with that plaster wall. So XY plane, now sketching, first need to go to setting, grade, then it is 2D and snap and major grid spacing. I am going to keep it as 1 centimeter and then I'm going to divide that.
อันเนี้ย1และอันนี้คือ
4. So like at each there are steps here. There are 4, so it will help you to draw that.
1 2 3 4
Okay. Then I'm going to draw here rectangle. So I can start from here and then is like
เท่าไหร่อ่ะ
that is 2.5 is required. So now that is 2.5.
12ขึ้นมาเท่าไหร่1 2 3 4
and then height
2 อันไหนวะ3 อัน
highlight just that. You can go to dimension and display dimension and then so that is 2.5 and then highlight just that. You can go to dimension and display dimension and then general. You can see that is 2.5 but that dimension is 3, so I'm going to make it as 20. Okay. So that one, the first is plaster, is being now done. So I go there and then that is the sketch 1 and then the concept.
surface from sketch
Some sketches. So apply
and then generate
generated here.
rename
Rename that
plaster
Okay, so the next one, I need to create other sketch
มันต้องซูม to fit โอเค
and that this one, remember
surface
here operation in add material, you will add it. Now the next one, you need to go to sketch, probably boulder surface, dimension concept, weight, and then in operation you need to add frozen. You need to add frozen
ทำเหมือนเดิมแต่ว่า add frozen
so that you have
only sketch
that plaster body. But now here a new sketch. So that is a sketch 2.
sketch
So for that sketch 2, I'll go here in sketching a rectangle. So I can preferably start from here and then I'll so its vertical dimension is the same as the previous one, but its horizontal is 9. So I am going to this one and this 9. So it is 7.5 centimeters. So that is
9
9. So now that sketch 2, it is 20 centimeter tall and that is 9 centimeter.
มันไม่เท่ากันจีนโอเค
This. So again, sketch 2. I need to go to concept, surface from sketches, and now here important. Here is important. Sketch 2, apply, and
Add
operation.
frozen.
For that one, operation is add frozen. So here, add frozen. Okay, and then generate. So now that second is being generated. I am going to rename that as fiberglass.
fiber glass
Yes, if you forgot that one, then you can go to here and then you can change that to frozen. So now the next one, you need to, it is like the third wall, it is 1.25 centimeter and height is 20. So for that one, here, click here, set that's 3, and then sketching rectangle, start from there. is same as 20. Then go to dimension, general, and then dimension 1.25 centimeters. So give it 1.5
1.25โอเค
centimeters. If the height is same, to sketch concept.
concept from sketch 3 apply
This is from sketches. Apply. Here add frozen there,
symbol
and then we'll have that surface body that's going to be name that.
name oh ไอ้นี่บริบท P L Y B O D
As plywood.
oh
Now
plywood
those three
plywood
are being created, so I'll go to sketching, and then in the setting I'm going to
put it down to the all
from that grid. Okay, so now you can see that there are three surfaces are being created. So the first one has dimension as 2.5, the second one is 9, third one is 1.5. So the first is in the geometry, model, then material alignment. So here you have model, and there's a question mark on that.
ต้องพลาสเตอร์เป็นแรก
And that, and for that plaster, the missing is assignment, is material, and I have that plaster for that. Then fiberglass, assign
plywood
its material, then the plywood, assign its material. So now for plaster, the material added, for fiberglass, material added, for plywood, material is added. Next step in the model, you need to use construction geometry to create a path. Where the path is because temperature at these 4 points are required. So this can be done either using a path or then either by selecting nodes on these. I'll go for each path. So where the path is required, people need to find out temperature on these surfaces. So for that one, a path can be created or then otherwise the 4 nodes be selected here. So construction geometry, path, definition. So here, the model. Your construction geometry path. So that is the path XL, so that you can see it's there. So I want to start first point from here. So then it will be now the geometry was created, the unit was centimeter, but now the standard units here you can see they are meter. So I want to continue with these standard units. Okay, so for that one, then y coordinate will become, so the total height is 20 centimeters, so it will be 1. So that one is being moved there, and now we need to move 2 by putting this coordinate. units, which is 0.5, sorry, 0.1. So its total weight is 0.1275. So here you can see that the 0.1, that is the 0.2 constant. That part. So I am going to name that as next step is to get connection or apply connection and the contact region wanted. And for that one, because already that frozen is being selected, so here you have connection, here are two connections. There is the contact region 1, and that is the contact region 1 between plaster wall and fiberglass. So here you can see that is red and then blue, the contact between them, and the definition is bonded here. So whatever I'm using here bonded, so if there are some other conditions between them, so you can use that one. And the scope method I'm using here automatic. And then the contact region 2, that's the contact region 2 between fiberglass and plywood, so that is red and then blue, and again here type is bonded. Next step is mesh, and for that one I decide is required, and that is simple. I click on mesh, and then the default is whatever is default. I'm going for point. I'm going for 0.05 centimeters. So 0.05 is per minus
เท่าไหร่นะศูนย์
2. Point.
0.0
I'm going for 0.05 centimeters. So 0.05
0.05 e ลบ
is per minus
2
and then this 0.05 centimeter is very fine.
เยอะมากเกินไหมเนี่ยโอเคกลัวคอมค้างลองเม็ดเท่านี้ดูก็เซตอัพตรง steady state
Yes. 180.
inside 10 20 โอ้เอาไซส์
That total heat flux is thermal, and that's the total heat flux. That total heat flux of that hole is required. Then now we have temperature of that part, and then total heat flux is required. And now I'll just solve that. So now in the results, the temperature is required at that part. of the total length. So 2.5 plus 9, so total length is 1.12.25. So I just divide that by 0.25, which is the mesh element size. So that is 51. So I want 51 square.
51
So now here I will show 50, and then for this part
50
only, I'll solve, and then you can see that along that path that is the temperature. So that is temperature, overall temperature. On inner wall it is that is the minimum temperature, and outside that is the maximum temperature.
สำหรับคลิปนี้ก็ขอจบแต่เพียงเท่านี้นะคะ ขอบคุณค่ะ